Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix preparing automatic repair. In this laptop, operating system is corrupted. I am going to show you how to install Windows within 10 minutes by using pen drive. In my pen drive, Hasleo Backup. Now connect pen drive, then press power button and hold for power of this laptop. After this, press power button for power on laptop. Okay. After this, boot laptop from pen drive. Okay. Now laptop is boot from pen drive. Now you see here Hasleo Backup Suite. Now click on browse image. Now click on this PC. Select here pen drive. Okay. Now select here backup file. Click on this backup file. Click on open. This is our Hasleo backup partitions. Now click on next. Select here partition. When you make this, please backup your PC data or laptop data. This video is education purpose only. I am not responsible for any data loss. Select partition and then click on next. After this, click on process. Click on process. Now click on read carefully this pop-up, then click on yes. Now our Hasleo image is restoring. Please wait. It's take a time up to 10 to 12 minutes or less than 10 minutes. Okay, depend upon your laptop speed. Okay, now you see estimated time is 15 minutes. Okay, now image is restoring. Please wait. I am fast forward this video for save time. Okay, after complete this restoring file,